Okay, so we are at Momo's house right now. Sharanam. We are meeting after so long. She's just in the kitchen warming up our pizza. Our food just arrived. We've ordered pizza and some pasta from the blue oven. Yeah, blue oven. We've gossiped so much. Like, gossiped about her trip, gossiped about my life. There was not much to gossip about mine, but there was a lot to gossip about her trip. Oh my god. Like, the gossip was so cooked that she had to reenact what happened in the trip. We were going crazy.
Going through today, guys. Surviving through today. But meeting home makes me feel good.
We're also gonna meet hopefully on Utsa's birthday again. It's next week.
Hopefully
she
I'll
gets
be
better. She gets better by then. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Reducing risk of over reviving or underperforming.
कितना लिखा है तुमने?
Why is my camera so glitchy today? Maybe because of light. Okay, so today I tried to film some covers, singing covers, but looks like I picked the wrong day because my voice is not sounding that good when I'm singing. So I don't know, I might just bail this idea today because the sun is also going down, so light कम होती जा रही है, sunlight, and बच्चों की energy कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ती जा रही है every second. So I'm just gonna film the covers tomorrow. Hopefully मेरी आवाज़ normal हो तब. Let's see क्या होता है. Now I'm thinking कि मैं क्या करूँ, क्योंकि मेरी कल टेस्ट भी है और मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. I do have some notes, but not really in the mood to study. But I don't know what I'm gonna do now then. Painting एक नया चालू करूँ या I don't know. I look so good today too यार. आज क्यों नहीं हो पाया? I am so mad. So take me to your deepest heart. Never really knew proof to go on. 'Cause my life goes dark, but I know that I can never be alone. Oh, wish me no time, wish me no song. But now I never tries to fall. I'm just now looking for a Stephanie Sue video to binge on because I'm too lazy to do anything else. Like अभी मैं दूध गैस पर रखने गई थी and I was randomly singing The Most Beautiful Thing by Bruno Major, and I sounded so good. Like, what? You can't do. I was not able to do that while I was recording, and I'm like so mad. God, why does this keep happening? अरे यार फाइन कल कॉलेज जाना है यार. I have not gone to college for like the past 10 days I think. लास्ट कब गई थी मैं कॉलेज? नहीं शायद लास्ट वीक ही गई थी मैं कॉलेज. आई डोंट नो, बट कल और परसों दोनों दिन जाना है बिकॉज वी हैव द फाइनल टेस्ट्स फॉर द सेमेस्टर. Oh my god, this semester is also coming to an end यार. इतना जल्दी कैसे टाइम जा रहा है? I'm so scared. अभी ट्रेनिंग आ जाएगी and I'm why is time flying by so fast? Why is time flying by, passing by? टाइम इतना जल्दी क्यों जा रहा है? Please, I'm scared. Yeah, I might just that was aesthetic. Okay, so this is not something major. मैं बस I was opening a paint का bottle and उसके कैप में वो लाइंस वाला नहीं होता surface rough surface वो था, तो it was really tight. So I kept trying और उसके कारण ये स्किन पील हो गई ऊपर से. मैंने फिर सोचा कि चलो पूरा निकाल देती हूँ चमड़े को, क्या ही होगा. तो जो मेरी चीज़ निकली है उसमें, बाप रे. और रात को तो मेरी चीज़ पे चीज़ पड़ी है ऊँग में, नींद में. So I had to tie this around my finger because I kept like hitting it or poking something into it accidentally. Like the other day I like गलती से मेरी जो चाकू होता है ना वो इस पे ऐसे लग गया, तो it hurt really bad. So I had to tie this around that spot ताकि मैं उसको बार बार छूँ नहीं और उसको परेशान ना करूँ, उसको बहुत जुल्म ना करूँ मैं. और so like to protect this from myself, I had to do this. This was the last resort. Okay. It looked good. I just washed my hair. Like दोपहर को किया था, but अभी it's completely dried off now. But it looks good. I like I'm nervous that hopefully there's this function coming. और उसमें मेरे बाल नॉर्मल लगे, प्लीज़, होपफुली. I had the same function like 6 years ago when I moved here. You must know what I'm talking about. I don't want to talk about it loudly because बुरी नज़र kind of believe in it now because after some things that have happened with me. But I have this function again after 6 years again and I want to look my best. I want to look nice. Like overdressed or ऐसा कुछ नहीं, but I just want to look nice. Because oh my god, in that function, why did nobody tell me that I looked like that? I looked so ugly. Oh my god. Straight hair do not suit me. Straight hair do not look good on me. Like चपटी वो सपाट वाला स्ट्रेट मेरे पे नहीं अच्छा लगता है. और पता नहीं मुझे क्यों किसी ने ये बात नहीं बोली. सब लोग बोले जा रहे थे, ओह स्ट्रेट बाल कितने सही लग रहे तेरे पे. एंड नो, दैट डिड नॉट लुक गुड. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड बाय दैट लुक. By that whole outfit, I looked ridiculous that day. I looked hideous. I cannot stop complaining about that outfit ever. It looked so bad. I just want to look good in this function again. I hope मेरे बाल भी normal रहे. I'm thinking मैं उसी दिन हेयर वॉश करूँ या उसके एक दिन पहले या 2 दिन पहले हेयर वॉश करूँ because my hair looks good on the second day of the hair wash or on the day of the hair wash. बट अगर सेट नहीं हुआ हेयर वॉश डे के दिन एंड if I end up looking bad, oh my god, I am so nervous. But there are more things I should be nervous about, like my final exams. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm so scared. There was like something else I wanted to rant about too. I was thinking of filming a get ready with me video for like YouTube and rant about random things. That is what I like doing, like just talk about the most random things in my life, which most of you all won't care about, but I still like talking. So I thought about doing that. So maybe I will do that I cannot do that on the day I have that function, I cannot do that on that day, but I might film that on some other day. Let's see. कॉलेज जाना है यार, तो सुबह सुबह जाना है, वो भी 7 बजे उठना पड़ेगा मेरे को कल. I haven't woken up at 7 since so long. It has been so long since I woke up at 7. I'm not a morning person. I hate mornings. I hate waking up in the mornings. क्या करें, जिंदगी, student life. I mean student life. But नहीं, जॉब में तो मोस्टली नाइट शिफ्ट. एंड इफ आई गेट अ नाइट शिफ्ट आई वुड लाइक टू डू अ नाइट शिफ्ट फॉर एवर. बट उसके भी कुछ प्रोज एंड कॉन्स तो होंगे ही, बट वील सी देन. अभी तो 7 बजे उठने की माथाकुट है, देखते क्या होता है. हाय ओ मेरे को मतलब दिया बत्ती क्या बोलते हैं तुम लोग हिंदी में, क्या बोलते हैं? तो पूजा तो नहीं करता हूँ, दिवा बत्ती ना क्या यार हिंदी में, दिया बाती. ऐसा शो आता ना, दिया बाती, दिया और बाती हम, कुछ तो था. रियली गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग घर के काम नाउ. आई मीन बस एक ही काम करना है मेरे को. मेरे वो प्रॉब्लम, वो फिल्म गेट रेडी विद मी फिल्म करने में प्रॉब्लम ये आता है क्योंकि मैं भूल जाती हूँ मेरे को क्या बात करनी है, किस बारे में बात करनी है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ नोटिंग डाउन दोज टॉपिक्स, बट मैं वो भी भूल गई कि मेरे को वो भी करना है. आई लिटरली हैव द मेमोरी ऑफ अ गोल्ड फिश. आई एम नॉट लाइंग व्हेन आई से दैट. आई डू नॉट लाई व्हेन आई से दैट. इट्स ट्रू, इट्स फैक्ट्स है वो बात. व्हाई डू आई हैव दैट? I should really go now. Bye.